So today we're going to be talking about eyepieces. So if you have a telescope, you probably know that you use different eyepieces for different amounts of magnification. This one is 17 millimeters and this one is 10 millimeters. And if you're thinking about getting another eyepiece, I would suggest getting one of these. This is a zoom eyepiece. It basically gives you different amounts of magnification all in one eyepiece. This one's 7 to 21. Although most of the time you'll find 8 to 24. Basically, it's super convenient because it's much faster than always switching out the eyepieces. And you basically turn this thing right here, this wheel. It's pretty much the same for all zoom eyepieces. And it's super convenient because it just makes it faster and gives you a wide range of magnification. Because here I only have 17 and 10 millimeters, while this is 7 to 21. And this one costed me about $50. Most will cost a bit more, but I definitely think it's worth the price because of just how convenient and easy to use it is. And it really makes it a lot more fun to look at things. And the lower magnification makes it easier to find stuff, and then you can zoom in to the higher magnification. And yeah, that's why I would suggest buying a zoom eyepiece.